This is number 6, and I've already graphed it on the calculator. Now I'm going to go to our y equals and set y2 at 0 because we wanted to find our roots. So we're still back at the graph. So to find the vertex, let's look at what graph. Is this a max or a min? So we see it is a min. So second trace, and we're going to go down to a minimum and hit enter. So we have to get our cursor at the bottom here. And we're going to do a little bit to the left. That means, see, that's a start. It says left bound. That's where it starts measuring a little left of the turn. And we hit enter. Then right bound would be a little bit to the right of the turn and hit enter. And the calculator's guessing about where it is, and you hit enter again, and it shows you that the x minimum is negative 3.49, so we can round that up to negative 3.5, which is the negative 3.5 for our vertex. Negative 3.5 for the x, and the y is a negative 2 1/4. So you will have fractions from time to time. So that's at our turn. So our roots is where does it cross the x-axis where x is 0. So we can also go to our graph here and then we can determine where is it crossing the x-axis where y is 0. So we see here it's crossing it at negative 2, 0. You can also do a measuring using the same method and go second trace 0 if you'd like. But if you want to look in the table, you can do that also. So it's negative 2, 0. So let's see where else where we have before. And it's also at negative 5, 0. And the root we have determined is where the graph crosses the the x, sorry, where the graph crosses the x is the root. So the vertex is, say, negative 3 down 1/2. We negative 3.5 right here for our x. Maybe a little bit more, and you down negative 2, that's a little bit more. So this is just sketching. It's about here. So we can sketch our graph. Graph does not have to be exact in our homework.